Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. I am back with another CR video, and in this video I'll be showing you a deck for the elixir capture challenge. Actually this challenge is not very difficult. The only thing to keep in mind is that you should not run for that extra elixir at all. If you do that, you will mess up your cycle and that can backfire pretty bad. And you can see I have just left with one more win. I have played this deck and last 5 games I have won back to back. Before that I was rushing for the extra elixir and I lost a lot. So I am advising you not to do that and just play your regular deck if you want to, or you can take my deck and you can play with it. Just play a normal game, don't rush for the elixir and you will win the game. So let's go into the gameplay and you can see how I played, not rushing for the elixir, but definitely you can defend it. You can get a lot of value from your electro wizard, and that's what I am doing. So he put a lot of things to just get that extra elixir, and he will not be able to keep up with his cycle in the start at all. So you can see I am not rushing, I am just trying to maintain my cycle and just play a normal game. So you can see the opponent is just rushing for that extra elixir, but you should not do it. I am again saying it. Just play your normal game and that will be enough for you to win. And the deck I am playing is being played by a lot of players on top ladder, and it is actually a ladder deck and not some event or special event deck. So you can see I am just playing my normal game and I will be able to win this, and I have not lost a single game with this deck. So you can see even if you are not getting the elixir blob at the center which gives 2 elixir, even then you will manage to get the elixir at the bridge by just playing the simple game and not rushing, and that will be good enough to equalize. And if you want to retry, in case you lose 3 games without completing the challenge, then the retry costs 25 gems. Anyway, it's not enough, it's not a lot, but still you will definitely don't want to spend that gems, and definitely want to complete it in one go. Here I got a little careless. I thought that zap would be enough to defend that push, but the Inferno Dragon actually locked on my tower, but I somehow managed to keep it tight and winning the game at the end. So that's all for this video guys. I completed the challenge with that win, and you can also note one more thing, that they are giving card tokens in the chest, so that is one good thing. So you can just, even if you are not getting some specific card from the chest, you can always convert those card tokens to that specific card. So that is all for the video guys. Few more challenges are coming, totally normal game mode. There is no loss counts and you can play for all the rewards, and all the rewards are magic items. So that is all for the video guys. If you like it, do subscribe to the channel. That supports a lot and motivates me to keep making the videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.